Hey guys, Shelby here, your Scentsy lady, and I have September's warmer of the month ready to unveil for you, or unbox, whatever we're going with. This is Boo Crew, and I am not typically a Halloween decorator. I really like decorating for fall, but I don't know, I feel like there's been so many cutesy Halloween things lately that I started doing a couple of things here and there. Just incorporating it a little bit into our fall decor. So here they are. Excuse me, let me get this out. Here they are, how cute. So this is an element warmer. That means that it uses a heating element to warm up the wax versus a light bulb. But this warmer actually has an oh my gosh, that fit perfectly. I don't know if I like it. So I actually had a different stand, my little wooden stand. I'm gonna have to play around with it. Actually, maybe it is cute now that I'm looking at it in the camera. I don't know, we'll see. We're gonna go with it for right now. But I had, okay, so, no, sorry, sidetracked. This is an element warmer because it uses an element heater to warm up the wax. But there is an LED light in there. So, ready? Actually, I'm gonna turn this off. Look how cute they are. See, I just had to get this one. I think they're adorable. I don't know. I just think they're so cute. Okay, and I will tell you, there have been some creative folks who have put like little sunglasses on them or little cowboy hats. Somebody had a little chef hat and then like taped a whisk, like a little miniature whisk on one of them. Somebody had a cute little bows on one. There were so many cute ideas. So, of course, now I'm like, I want to get creative and do something cute. But they're also adorable on their own. And I really like it. So I made a little spot right here in the kitchen to incorporate Boo Crew. So this is September's warmer of the month. And I just realized I didn't bring my flyer or anything with me to give you the price. Okay, hold on. Let me go grab it. I would say I was going to edit that out, but I'm not really good at editing. So my videos are, you get what you get. Boo Crew, and then the scent of the month is Spooky But Sweet. Boo Crew is $58.50 in September, regularly $65. And then the Spooky But Sweet is a pinch of nutmeg mingles with shadowy swirls of smoked maple syrup and caramelized vanilla sugar. It is definitely a bakery scent. It is sweet. And that comes in the Scentsy Bar, Pods, Room Spray, and the Scent Circle 3-pack. Our Scent Circles come in 3-packs with this new catalog. So if you like it, hold on, there we go. Cute little thing. If you would like one, you can find it on my website at shelbymariewinkel.scentsy.us. You can comment and I'll get back with you, or you can find me on Facebook at Wax Mama of Weatherford and send me a message. If you haven't enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my page, or is YouTube called page? I don't know. You guys know what I mean. Like and comment. I really appreciate it. And I will be showing you guys some more things coming up. We got some great Harvest Collection products that I just received. They finally came in, and I'm super excited to show you guys. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.